Let's unbox this together, guys. Okay. So I have this two cosmetic organizer, 360 rotations. I want this. This is looks like. I'm going to assemble it and get another one. Oh, there's no picture outside, but this is the same. So I'm going to assemble this one first. It's gonna be a long one because I have to replace my old one in the bottom, broken. So this is all the tools. Now let's try. There's an instruction here. I'm gonna keep this one. So this is it. A picture. Okay. Wow, looks neat. Nice packaging. So neat. And this is the instruction how to do it. Alright. I don't know which one is better. This is cheaper though. So I bought the other one before. It was like over 30 at Macy's, but I found this at Amazon, and it's not that expensive. Oh, that is nice. I don't know if I can assemble this, so I have to fast forward, okay? Because it's gonna take long, and then I don't have no more storage. But this is the bottom, and this is the top. I think this is 3 layers, guys. So that looks like. So here's the guide I have to follow. So we have to do this first. Okay. Then I have to set it up on the top. So this is secured, so I have to put elastic here on the top to hold it. So here's the elastic just to make it secured, and then here, this is the bottom. Look it. Alright. So I have this 4 section. I can insert how much the distance I wanna do it. So here I'm gonna put it there using the elastic, same thing, just to lock in. So just like example like this, I wanna go up there if I need to put a taller container of my skincare. So you have to insert this like that and secured. So all the divider is already in. So this is secured now. Look, and this is turning like 360. You can turn it like this. So if you wanna find something, and then next I'm going to put this on the top. I'm gonna do a little like that because I can put brush on it and it goes in there. Okay. Oh, nice. And using the elastic again just to lock in and secure, just like that, so you don't see. And here the rest, same thing. So here you go. There you have it. This is done and ready to stack on the skincare, or you can use for makeup or anything in your room. So it's easy in just one space, and then more label you can put on. So this is perfect for my bathroom. Alright, so by the way, just for your information, this is not very durable. This is a very light plastic, and it's not really you cannot rely it for a long time, just for temporary. You know, you can change it when it's the price is not very expensive. So this is good enough just to stock up, right? So this is cosmetic organizer, 360 rotation. So there you go. Okay, let's assemble this other one. Okay, and I just checked the price. This is more cheaper than the other one, the first one I did. But this is more like heavy. I don't know, we'll see. Let's compare each other. So here, all the materials inside, the same, almost similar, but maybe different format. Yeah, different on the top. And yeah, almost similar. I don't know why it's not the same price. But anyway, let's get started, guys. So start from here, as the same as the other one, and put this on the top and secured with the elastic. This is nicer. This is thicker. The plastic. This is thicker, guys. So the bottom is secured. So turn it over. Alright, let's see. Next, I'm going to put the divider. I got 4, the same 4 plate. So the difference of this is this one. There's this not plain. There's a thing in there that you can hold. So we'll see what's gonna happen next. So here's on the top. So what I did is just to match the thing here, because there's a hole like a square on it, and same like that, just to hold when you put brush or comb or whatever, like you can stand on it, and secured it with a elastic. This is already secured, and this is almost similar, the same size with the other one. This one has a sticker on it to not to slip. So did you hear that? So it's stick on the table with the plastic, and this one there's nothing, but this is kind of heavier than this one. So comparison is on the top is different, circle and square. So ready for my, so this is all I can share for now. If you're looking organizer in your bathroom or in your room to put on all your beauty products or anything, you have it there. Here's the solution, guys. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.